History of internal combustion engine. Various scientists and engineers contributed to the development of internal combustion engine in 1791. The English inventor Johann Barber patented a gas turbine in 1794. Thomas Mitt patented a gas engine also in 1794. Robert Street patented an internal combustion engine, which was also the first to use liquid fuel, and built an engine around that time. In 1798, Johann Stevens designed the first American internal combustion engine. In 1807, French engineer Nicephore, who went on to invent photography and cloth knives, ran a prototype internal combustion engine using controlled dust explosions. This engine powered a boat on the Saône River, France. The same year, the Swiss engineer Francois Isaac de Rivals built and patented a hydrogen and oxygen powered internal combustion engine. The fuel was stored in a balloon, and the spark was electrically ignited by a hand-operated trigger fitted to a crude four-wheeled wagon. Francis Isaac de Rivaz first drove 800 meters in 1813, thus making history as the first car-like vehicle known to have been powered by an internal combustion engine. In 1823, Samuel Brown patented the first internal combustion engine to be applied in industry in the US. One of his engines pumped water on the Croydon Canal from 1830 to 1836. He has demonstrated about using his engine on the Thames in 1827 and an engine-driven carriage in 1828. Father Giovanni Barsanti, an Italian engineer, together with Felice Matteucci of Florence, invented the first real internal combustion engine in 1853. Their patent request was granted in London on June 12, 1854, and published in London Morning Journal under the title Specification of Eugen Barsanti and Felix Matteucci, obtaining motive powered by the explosion of gases.